Good morning, everybody. We're live at 8:27 a.m. and we are battling for Lucas's nice UKG Blue Saber Luka Jedi. There's 130 spots, and I'm going to copy them all and take them over to random to find our winner. Paste them in there. We do have 130 entries. That's good times. That means we're in good shape to get this underway. I'm going to roll the dice. Got to get a 5 or better to play. As you know, we got a 5. So we're good to begin. Good luck, everybody. Let's get right down to business. Good luck. Troy in the top spot for our first round, round 1, with what appeared to be number 56. Dempsey takes round 2 with number 2. Troy again on top, round 3. Mr. Ledbetter takes the next to last round, round 4, with number 54, bringing us to the all-important last round. Good luck, guys and gals. Here we go. And our winner is Gary Hausman in at number 107. Gary is our victor. Here's our verification code, EEWAQH. Gary in at number 107 is the winner. Congrats, sir. I am done at 8:29. As you can see here and here. One last time, there's the results. Gary's our winner. Thanks, guys. See you next time.